Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. It's been a while, miss you guys. A lot's been going on here at the shop. I've actually started on another shop, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about a new project, the Passport Ultralight project. I picked it up from a friend of the family. The story behind it will probably make you tear up. It surely made me tear up. But there's some damage on the inside, water damage, and I'm gonna take it on to try to fix it up and get it into somebody's hands that will enjoy it a little bit more. And this isn't replacing the good old RV that you can see down there. Oh wait, you haven't even seen that it's wrapped yet. Maybe that should be another video. We also got a new member to the family. Meet Max. Yeah, let's get started on showing you the tour of this camper. Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my new project. This is a Passport Ultralight 2012, and the model number is a 2910BH, which means it has bunk beds. Ultralight means that it's got the construction out of aluminum. And let me show you some of the stuff we're going to be up against here. When you first walk in, you got your living quarters, which we'll look at in a second. To the right is the bed. And if you were to walk in and spin around, you'll see that there's two openings for either side to get into the bed area. This is a TV that swivels, and you know, if you're in bed you can watch the TV there, which is pretty cool. Got a little audio system down here with a DVD player. You get the slide out, which goes out a good probably 3 feet or so. Get your kitchen area, which got all my junk on it. I'm running into dehumidifiers right now to try to get some of the mold and musk smell out of it. Refrigerator. Now this is where things get a little tricky. This is why it's a project. This slide out has been leaking for a little while. So you can see here we got some water damage there. But what makes it worse is it's really gotten bad here, rusted up this whole light, and that light ended up being a funnel to this table, and this table has completely separated and warped and rusted down here. And if I was to take a guess, when we take that carpet out, it's going to expose some more damage. And you'll see these cushions have some mold on it. Nothing a steamer can't get out. Some mold over here. Some more damages down here. So just a little leak from the slide out has caused pretty extensive amount of water damage that we're gonna have to go through. We got a little bit of mildew, mold on the door here into the bathroom. The bathroom actually yellowed out a little bit. A little bit more than I would suspect for 2012. Same with the sink there. Standard toilet. If you were to close this and look straight back, you actually have 2 bunks on either side, so 4 total beds, which is pretty slick. And this is the fuse box, which worries me a little bit because if all this damage is happening in this area, a little worried about that fuse box, so I might pull that out, take a look at it. But that's the general kind of tour of it. You know, they got some storage underneath and stuff over there on the back, and slide out. It's got a power awning, and yeah. So look forward to working on this, and you know, hopefully in some upcoming videos you'll see me tearing all this stuff up and trying to figure out the best plan of attack moving forward. So obviously the first thing is to fix the leak, and then we get to fix all the cosmetic damages. So anyways, thanks for watching.